Hello designers and creatives. We're excited to welcome everyone to the Good Design Award Philippines, the country's recognition system for design excellence. If you're ready to showcase your creativity, innovation, and malasakit, this is your moment. Let's walk you through how to submit your entry.
To begin, visit our official website or simply scan the QR code on your screen.
Once you're there, click on the Mechanics tab. You'll find all the details you need from forms, categories, and requirements to all the important guidelines. Take a few minutes to review the entrant and category requirements and browse through the FAQs. Understanding these early on will help you choose the right category and make your submission process much smoother. Before you start filling out any forms, it's best to prepare your materials in advance. Set up a shared folder on OneDrive or Google Drive, which will serve as your submission folder. Make sure the folder settings allow view or edit access so the secretary can check your files once submitted. Next, head back to our website and click on the Submit tab. Here you'll find two important items, the entry forms and the entrant form. Now let's move on to the entrant form. Start by typing in your entrant form, including details about your business or organization, the head or owner, and the authorized representative. Remember to upload two valid IDs of your authorized representative in your submission folder. Next, you'll see the list of entrant requirements. Upload the file in your submission folder at least one document that only applies to your business or institution type. You don't need to submit everything listed. Then proceed to the next section and enter your entry details. Title, designer's name, and chosen subcategory. Choose the entry form that's based on the category that best fits your entry. Download the editable Word file and open it to get started. On the first few pages, you'll find the subcategory and the requirements checklist for your respective category. Read the general instructions carefully before filling out your form. The entry form has two main parts. First, the entry details where you'll provide technical information. The second part is the design brief, where you'll tell the story behind your design and your opportunity to discuss the screening perspectives, where jurors base their evaluation of entries. Form, function, innovation, positive user experience, malasakit, and alignment with the UN Sustainable Development Goals. You may write your answer in English or Filipino, whichever allows you to communicate your story best. Since this form is editable, you can complete it at your own pace. No need to rush. Once done, save it as a Word file, not PDF, and upload it to your submission folder. This section also asks for the link to your submission folder, which should contain
Entrant requirements, two valid IDs of the authorized representative, category requirements, and the accomplished entry form in Word format.
In the final section, let us know how you heard about Good Design Award Philippines. And that's it. Your entry is officially submitted. Congratulations! If you have any questions or need assistance, don't hesitate to reach out. You can contact the Good Design Award Philippines Secretariat at gooddesign.awardph@designcenter.gov.ph. We can't wait to see your work and how you're shaping a better and more compassionate world through design. Thank you and good luck with your submission.